welcome back to my channel. It's Sherelle, and today I'll be doing this high braid style. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to be using this jumbo KENEKALON braiding hair, and you can get this from your local beauty supply store. I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be adding my Eco Styling Gel and my 48-hour moisture hold edge control. I'm just going to work that into my hair, and using a hard bristle brush, I'm going to brush that up into a ponytail like so. Honestly, this is what takes the longest when doing this hairstyle, especially if you're natural, if you haven't had perms or any kind of heat put onto your hair. I added edge control to lay my edges, and then I put a scarf on just to hold it down. And here's the finished look of my edges. I decided that putting my hair in a bun would make it a lot easier, just so that I can attach the braiding hair a little bit easier as well. Here I'm just separating the hair into 3 parts so that I can braid the 3 strands together. And when you braid, you want to braid really loosely because we want the braid to be jumbo. My advice for this part is just to take your time because the hair does tend to get tangled. So just go as slow as you need to and braid it as loose as possible so that it can be jumbo. Now I'm braiding this all the way down to the end. And now what I'm going to do is add 2 rubber bands just to make sure it's secure at the very end of the braid. Next, I'm going to flip the braid over and cover my bun with the braiding hair. Now this looks challenging, but it's really not. It's really pretty easy. And once I tuck my bun under the braiding hair, I'm going to take some bobby pins and pin that down so that you can't see it. I did that off camera. Then I decided that I wanted to add curly strands to my hair, so as I braid, I'm just going to pull strands out so that those can be the curly flyaways. And like I did before, I'm just going to secure it at the bottom with 2 rubber bands. Now I'm going to take the strands and roll them with some FLEXI rods. You actually want to roll the hair away from you, like in an outward motion, so that the curls can be spiral. And I purchased these FLEXI rods at the dollar store. They were just $1, so. I'm also going to add FLEXI rods to the very end of the braid. What I did was I split the hair at the bottom into 2, and I rolled that just like I rolled the very top pieces of hair. Next, I'm going to be using boiling hot water, and I'm just going to dip the FLEXI rods and the hair into the boiling hot water. And you definitely want to have a towel handy for this, just so you won't burn yourself. I did the same thing for the other 2 FLEXI rodded pieces of hair. And this is the end result, you guys. Super cute. Next, I'm just going to take an extra piece of braiding hair and wrap that around the braid, just to hide any like scrunchies or bobby pins or anything that might be showing. This also gives the braid a more natural look. Now, as you can see, that strand is kind of long, so I'm going to use some scissors just to cut it, just so it's not too long, and wrap that piece around as well. And that's the finished look, you guys. I actually added my accessories off camera, but you can use any kind of accessories you like. You could use like strings, you could use the little beads, you can use anything you want. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you loved it, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe down below and hit the alert button so whenever I upload anything, you will get it first.